Well, I don't have to tell you, there's a lot of anxieties and hesitations surrounding investing in real estate in today's current market. People are scared. They're listening to a lot of fear tactics out there. But today's financial climate offers a lot of negativity that we need to rise above. And that's what this video is going to be about today. Inflation, we have elevated prices, high interest rates, and more. I won't sit here and pretend that we're in a great market or a great economic cycle right now. It's not the case. But here's what a lot of people forget. Real estate is a tangible asset that offers protection against inflation. Here's why. Real estate naturally appreciates or goes up in value over time. But each time there's a bout of inflation, properties get a boost in value. And when we're in a prolonged inflationary period, like we've seen over the last several years, housing values steadily increase at a rapid rate. And there are a few asset types or industries that can actually profit in the face of inflation. But real estate is an exception. Now, smart investors understand this, so they set standards for their investments and act accordingly. In fact, smart investors understand how to profit in any economy, any market cycle. Once you understand this, you can create financial freedom for yourself and your family, regardless of all of these external factors that are outside of your control. So if you want to win in today's market and allow inflation to actually boost your net worth, here's what you can do right now. Number one, invest in the very best markets in the United States. Now, if you know anything about buying real estate, you know that selecting a market is foundational to your success. Location, location, location. Now, I have entire videos here on how to select the best real estate markets, so I won't go into this topic today. I'll be sure to link to a video for you in the description below for you to do your own market research. But for the purposes of today's show, just know that the market matters. You must invest in a market that's going to lead to long-term success and will be profitable no matter what's going on in the economy. Number two, only buy a property that is cash flow positive today in this inflationary environment. Okay, with all of the craziness that we're experiencing right now, make sure the property cash flows today, not the promise of the future. Okay, do not buy a property based on future projections alone. That is a recipe for disaster. You will be disappointed. It is the key to your success that your property can provide cash flow now. Maybe not a ton, okay? But still, cash flow beyond your expenses, beyond your mortgage payment, beyond your taxes you're paying, beyond your property management company. Can it cash flow today? Buying a cash flow negative property is a surefire way to get burned and swear off investing forever. You will feel burned. You'll say, I can't invest in real estate anymore. I got burned. I bought a property and it never cash flowed. Well, you should have known that going into it. You should have known the numbers. Don't do this. And when you're running the numbers, make sure that you're factoring in all of your expenses, right? If a property performs now, imagine how it will only improve in years to come once we turn things around in this economy. Number three, get a great deal on day one. Okay, make sure the property you're buying now is a great deal. One of the most important things you can do as a real estate investor is buy right. This means ensuring that the property is at or below market value, and shopping for the best interest rates are available to you. If you choose to work with our team at Morris Invest, we can actually offer bulk benefits and pricing because of our new construction process. You know, we're building 40 properties at one time in the best neighborhoods, and because we do that, we can offer great savings to you. We can sometimes even offer interest rate buydowns and other discounts that you will not get if you're trying to do this on your own. Again, when we build 40 properties at one time and we're putting 40 water heaters in there and 40 furnaces and all of those things, we were able to pass on some amazing discounts to our clients. Regardless, the point is that if you want to be successful long-term, you'll need to buy right from day one, correctly from day one. We'll get back to that video in a minute, but first, inflation is out of control and you've got to protect your money. Any money you've got sitting in your bank is losing value every day right now by around 3.5% to 4%. And if you want to protect your money and grow it, you need to put it to work by investing it. Now, I'm not talking about risky or volatile investments like stocks or crypto, which I like, by the way, but tangible assets that you can actually put your hands on, okay? And the best tangible asset that you can invest in right now is real estate. It's the number one hedge against inflation, and it offers some of the safest and highest returns. I'm Clayton Morris, longtime real estate investor and founder of Morris Invest. Now, I got into real estate after learning that it was a favorite among the wealthy, and now I know exactly why. Personal experience has proven that it is the number one way to build and protect your wealth. I'm here to tell you that, folks. Now, while there are several ways you can invest in real estate, most of which I've tried myself, The build to rent model offers the most benefits by far. We're talking new construction, single family buy and hold real estate. Build to rent properties. They offer more tax benefits, fewer headaches than rehabbing an existing property. There's less risk. There's way less risk than flipping houses. And they're a lot less work than wholesaling houses. And they're less turnover and fewer issues than multifamily houses. When you invest in build to rent real estate, you're getting 4 streams of income: appreciation and equity gains, principal reduction in the mortgage, tax benefits, depreciation, and monthly cash flow, my favorite. Now, on top of that, you're using someone else's money, the banks, to invest, while someone else, your tenant, is paying for it. That's just one advantage it has over other tangible assets like gold and silver. You can't buy gold with the bank's money and have someone else pay for it, can you? No, you can't. Plus, when you're strategic about leveraging, you get 4 to 5 times the assets you can invest in. And it's the only investment that gives you 4 to 5 times protection from inflation. My company, Morris Invest, along with the help from our team at Sedera Wealth, helps you invest in build-to-rent properties as easily as investing in stocks. Because we buy and we build in bulk, and then we pass our savings on to you. Makes it a lot simpler when we're building 40 properties at one time. We're able to buy 40 furnaces, 40 water heaters, and be able to pass that savings on to you. Now, we offer free phone calls to create a personalized investing plan. But before we agree to talk to you on the phone, there's just one thing you need to figure out. There's one number that you need to calculate before we'll even talk with you on the phone. It's your freedom number. Your freedom number is the amount that you need to fully replace your current income. But it involves more than your monthly budget. My wife Natalie and I created the Freedom Number cheat sheet after a brush with job insecurity and realized that we were tired of depending on our paychecks just to get by. And then we achieved financial freedom and now make more than we did at our jobs through the monthly income that we get from our rentals. Now, we'd love to show you how to do the very same thing. Now, I made a quick worksheet that walks you through the process of finding your freedom number, which you can download for free at the link below. And I'm also going to send you valuable content that shows you how to identify a smart investment, what it takes to become a successful real estate investor, what you need to get started, and where to get a strategy that best fits your goals and situation, and how to get free ongoing help. I'm going to send all of that to you, okay? So click the link below to get your freedom cheat sheet right now and start protecting your money today. Number 4, invest in build-to-rent properties. New construction properties offer far less risk. Newer components, less headaches, a higher quality tenant. Plus, build-to-rent properties fill an important need in this market right now. We need housing, and it contributes to affordable housing in a market that's desperate for housing. Number 5, work with an experienced team and developers. Look for a team that has a proven track record. I don't care if you invest with us or not, but I do recommend working with a team that can offer guidance and share their years or decades worth of experience with you. And they should be able to do it for free. Like when you book a call with our team at Morris Invest, that phone call is free and we'll help you. We'll point you in the right direction. Maybe you work with us, maybe you don't. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, we love being an education company that can help you on your road to financial freedom. So I hope this gave you a few things to think about. Remember, you can be a successful real estate investor in any market cycle, up or down. It just comes down to adhering to a set of standards and buying correctly. So in this next video, you're going to learn about the affordable housing crisis that we're facing right now, a lot of the data and numbers that go into making this happen and why it's such a disaster. I want you to check out that video so you understand the context of what we're currently experiencing. And thank you so much for subscribing to the channel to elevate your financial intelligence. And we'll see you next time, everyone.